BOOX tablets are powerful, eye-friendly e-ink devices designed to streamline your tasks and boost productivity. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to easily annotate, review, and highlight in NeoReader. Start by opening your chosen document in NeoReader. With support for 17 ebook formats, including EPUB, PDF, MOBI, and more, NeoReader ensures easy access to any material. To begin annotating, tap the center of the page. Make sure to disable the scribble function first to enable annotation and highlighting. Use the stylus to select the area you want to highlight. Long press the content to open the Word menu, where you can choose the style and color of lines and highlights. Your options include Underline, Wave Underline, Dashed Underline, Inverse Highlight, Highlight, and Overlay. If you need to delete a highlight, just tap the highlighted content again and click the delete icon on the top right. For text annotations, tap the annotation icon on the Word menu. You can type or write your notes, or even use the voice recognition function to dictate them. After completing your notes, click Update. You'll notice a round bubble with 3 dots next to your content. This allows you to edit your annotation anytime by clicking the bubble. NeoReader offers an array of features to enhance your document reviewing and researching experience. To look up a word, simply long press it to select and open the Word menu from the built-in dictionary app. If you have a preferred dictionary app, you can directly download it from the Google Play Store. Then click the dictionary button from the Word menu and switch to your chosen app from there. In addition to this, you have the option to tap the web search button to look up the word online, or use the search button to find the word within the file. The text-to-speech function is another useful feature that transforms your digital books into audiobooks, especially when dealing with large volumes of text. Moreover, basic yet essential functions like copy, share, and link are easily accessible in the Word menu. You can link to files, websites, and notes as per your needs. These handy features make your reading and annotating process even more efficient. And there you have it, an easier way to review and annotate documents with Word menu. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.